Okay. What's the weight on this puppy? It's to be like about a 6,000-pound rock. Got a cradle strap. Getting it ready. So here's our bottom side. You see? Here's our back side. And we're dropping her in right here. Boom. She'll be leaning against one. It's gonna be exquisite. So this is how we get the magic done here in a dreamscape with the larger boulders, one at a time. Prepping, strapping, dropping. And then bracing once they're in. Looking good. This is an epic dreamscape project. Can't wait to share the final project with you when we're done.